going to talk about the yet to be released Google Pixel Watch. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, share and comment below. We finally get the first image and info about the Google Pixel Watch. For a long time, a lot of people were wondering, where is this thing? When is this coming? And how is it going to look like? We now have the images shown here by John Pros. Thanks for providing this information for the mass out there, and this is making news all across Twitter and YouTube. The Google Pixel Watch is a real thing now. The date will later be announced on this year or showcased at the Google I/O 2021. But before then, let's take some comments from people's reaction on Twitter.
Like a bird on a tree, I'm just sitting here. I got time, it's clear to see. From up here